Yeah, buddy, we got another Arrma in the house. You probably already know what it is because I got it on sale. So let's get right into it. Ooh, I'm stoked for this one. It took it a long time to get here. Oh yeah, Vendetta 3S Speed Bash. This is actually going to be a short video this time, guys, I promise. Come out! Yeah. There she is, guys. Let's go over some specs. As you can see, I got the green one. I was kind of torn between the two, but I just think the green looks so good. All right, let's get into the unboxing portion of this. I'm pretty pumped for this. I haven't had an on-road car in 6 years. Oh, this is sick. It's already torn inside. What's that all about? Looks like somebody's already fiddled around in there, but that's okay. It's all in one piece, so let's get it out. I don't know how to take this out. Oh. I'm just crazy. There's tape at the top. There we go. Oh yeah. Sick. Oops. Ooh. Oh man. This thing is sick. So this is another car that Horizon Hobbies had on sale, as you probably already know. And I just couldn't pass up the deal. Woo. Already started to peel it off. How dare I? That's not satisfying. There we go. Oh yeah. All right, let's actually peek underneath real quick. Wow, look at this. This is beautiful right here. Like I said, never seen this in person, but man, it looks good. Woo! All right, let's get these body clips off here. I'm stoked to look inside. Come out. There we go. Set that in there. Woo. Yes, sir. Oh, she's pretty. She is pretty. Suspension feels really nice. Oh. I am stoked to run this. I got my battery charging, so we're gonna give it a blast. For battery, I'm just using this 50C 5200 milliamp hour 3S Electron Pro. We'll get it in and we'll take it out. Got it bound up. All right, guys, here we are with my beautiful wife, Haley. It's her debut on the channel, and she's gonna be driving the Vendetta 3S for its first run on the channel. Are you excited?
Yes.
What do you think?
I'm super excited.
So we got to work on her social skills. She just said we need to work on her social skills. So we're gonna do that. Ooh, I need to get better at videoing. I apologize for the shaky video. This is horrible. Learn something, right? Sorry for all the noise. This is horrible. There's a road right behind me, so I lost it. There we go. Uh-oh. She's gonna kill somebody. So Haley got stage fright. Now apparently it's my turn to drive the car. Cool. Slides so good, even with the Arrma body.
Wait, let me. Oops.
All right, let's get a damage report, guys. So after my fun little flip on the sewer drain there, it's looking a little shabby. So not bad. It's scraped up a little bit. To be expected when you flip over on asphalt. That's the first time I flipped the car, so I mean that's great. Underneath here, you can see there's some usual scratches, scrapes. That's not usual. That definitely came from the sewer drain as well. But overall, bashability wise, speed bash approved, which I don't need to. So that big old rock just fell out of here. That's pretty cool. It's holding up good. Speed bash approved. I don't need to say that, it's already been proven, but I'm gonna say it anyways because this is the first time I've speed bashed a car. Here we go again. Oh. Well. Here we don't go again because it just hit LVC. I need to get a bigger than 5200 milliamp hour battery for this. All right, that's it, guys. Keep on rolling.